With Komprise Deep Analytics, enterprise IT can gain insights into the organization's data, then grant deep analytics access to convert line of business IT managers into storage allies who will help enterprise IT make more informed data management decisions. In this demo, I'll show you how to make this work. Enterprise IT can use Komprise Deep Analytics to know first about their organization's storage across their hybrid silos. Deep Analytics allows users to see high-level storage metrics like what filers and shares have the most data, which data types are most prevalent, how old is the data, and so on. For example, enterprise IT teams could use Deep Analytics to search the set of shares owned by the engineering department, then generate some top-level PDFs and send those as showback reports to the engineering IT manager. But imagine if instead of a static report, enterprise IT could give the line of business IT managers their own access to interactively analyze their department's usage, to drill into the details, and to really understand their data. This would help departments and enterprise IT to collaborate more closely together and to use data to drive the decision-making. But how can they make this happen? For enterprise IT and line of business IT teams to collaborate better together, line of business IT and data owners need to get access to the same in-depth deep analytics for the data they own. You can do this by inviting them to use Komprise Deep Analytics. It's simple to do. Just add them as a user and give them the role of Deep Analytics. Then set their share access to just the storage that they're allowed to manage. Now the line of business IT managers can log into Komprise as Deep Analytics users. When they log in, they'll see the Deep Analytics user interface restricted to only the data that Enterprise IT has granted them access to. With Deep Analytics, they can start answering their own questions about the data, such as, "Oh, I can see we're using about 206 terabytes of data. That sounds about right, but let me see, where is it? Let's look at the top file servers with the data. And now let me see the top shares with our data. Okay, who are the top owners of the data? And what types of files are these anyway? Wait, what? Why are videos the top type of data in engineering? Almost 77 terabytes of video files? That doesn't sound right. We're not marketing. Let me see what's going on there. I can view the files, and from here I can download a CSV with the top 10,000 of those video files. This report has file names, locations, owners. Let me contact some of these folks. And suddenly, without meaning to, the engineering IT manager has become an ally of enterprise IT, digging into the team's data, finding anomalies, investigating who owns inappropriate data. And they could take it even further by helping IT better manage the data. They could use Deep Analytics to find data that can be archived or even deleted based on their understanding of that data. And this is something enterprise IT could never have done on their own, since they are not the owners of the data. Once valuable data sets are found, they can be tagged in Komprise for ease of use later. In this example, the engineering IT manager can tag all those suspicious video files. Enterprise IT already has a tag called classification, and the engineering IT manager adds a new value, suspect. By applying this tag to the files found, it makes it easy to find these files later. And if in further investigations, the engineering IT manager finds other potentially suspicious files, for example, financial data files or contracts, those files can be tagged with the same tag. Finally, enterprise IT can use that new tag to easily find all the suspect data in one query. The engineering IT manager has become a business partner for enterprise IT by helping find and tag data that just doesn't belong. It doesn't hinder engineering's efforts at all if those files are archived or confined or even deleted. Enterprise IT would not have been able to identify those files. It took the collaboration with the line of business IT managers to make that determination. In summary, Komprise Deep Analytics can empower line of business IT managers to find out more about their own data, and replacing showback or shameback reports with more useful deep analytics access. The improved collaboration between line of business IT and enterprise IT will enable smarter data management decisions to better achieve corporate storage goals. For more information, visit komprise.com/what's new or contact Komprise to get started today.